My name is Jennifer Baxter.
And I'm Marco Locatelli, and we're from IMRSV Arts, a design studio in Berlin.
IMRSV Arts was founded on the idea that people should be interactive with the art that they're experiencing. Marco and I bonded because we noticed that a lot of the arts were just being passively consumed. So we felt that that was a shame, and we wanted to somehow engage the viewer more. And one way that we did that was through technology.
Yeah, technology is perfect because it gives you the opportunity to have real-time representation of you and your interactions and have it displayed on, for example, an art exhibition or an installation, an experience.
One thing that we learned while we were building all of these interactive experiences was that we could learn a lot through the arts. So Marco and I kind of developed a process that we used to develop these exhibitions. And in making, we learned about the topics that we were interested in. Everything from science to physics to philosophy. We really used the installation as a medium for educating ourselves.
Yeah, we have been working a lot with new technology and innovative ideas. And through our process, we try to learn the social, cultural implication of new technologies and then exhibit it or show it through the making of a project.
The current education system is missing, in our eyes, this project-oriented piece. So that's what we want to add with Aula. It's difficult to learn when you're being lectured at. That system is saying that one person, which is the teacher, is the person who holds all of the information. And it sort of takes away the responsibility of the student. And with this system, the student becomes more responsible and they become more of the leader in the whole project. So we want the students to take charge, once again, rightfully so, in building what matters to them.